This is Google Stitch, a free AI tool that lets you design a full app, multiple screens, clickable prototype, exported code just by describing what you want. No Figma, no design skills, nothing to install. Let me show you exactly how it works. Go to stitch.withgoogle.com and sign in with your Google account. That's it. You land straight on the canvas, this infinite dark workspace. Completely free, no credit card required. You get 350 standard generations per month plus 50 experimental. At the bottom of the canvas, you'll see the prompt box. Make sure 3 Flash is selected. That's your standard mode powered by Gemini 3.0 Flash. Now I'm going to type a prompt. The more specific you are, the better the result. Design a mobile fitness tracking app with a home dashboard showing daily steps, calories burned, heart rate, and a weekly progress chart. Dark theme with green accents. Hit generate, and now we wait. Look at this. From one sentence, Stitch generated multiple screens. A home dashboard, a stat screen, a workout screen. It didn't just make one page, it thought about the whole user journey. Look at the layout quality, the icons, the color scheme, the typography, all from that one prompt. And over on the side panel, you can see your chat history automatically organized into threads. Every prompt you type gets saved here. This is where it gets really powerful. You don't have to start over to change something. Just type a follow-up in the chat. Change the color scheme to purple and white instead of green. Watch the entire design update. Every screen. Instantly. You are designing by talking. No Figma skills, no design degree. Just describe what you want and it happens. Now let's try something different. I'm switching to Thinking with 3.1 Pro, the experimental mode. It's slower but smarter, especially when uploading images. I'm uploading a screenshot of an existing website and prompting, redesign this as a dark-themed SaaS product page for an AI writing tool called Write AI. Keep the layout but modernize the design. You can do this with any image, a website screenshot, a wireframe, even a photo of a hand-drawn sketch on paper. Stitch reads the layout and rebuilds it. This next feature was added in March 2026 and it is genuinely one of the most impressive things I've seen in any design tool. Click the microphone icon and speak.
Hey, what are we designing?
Add a navigation bar at the bottom with 4 icons: Home, Search, Notifications, and Profile. The design updates in real time as I speak. You are literally talking to your design. Right-click on any screen and select Instant Prototype. Stitch automatically connects your screens with clickable links. Hit play in the top right, and now we have a working clickable prototype. Click a button, it navigates to the next screen. You can share this with an investor, a client, or a teammate right now. 0 rupees, $0, 0 pounds. Select all your screens, click Modify, then Design System. Stitch pulls the color palette from your existing designs automatically. Add a design.md file with your brand guidelines and every screen Stitch generates from now on follows your brand. Click Copy to Figma. Open Figma, paste. Your design appears with proper layers and auto layout ready for a designer to take further. Or click Export Code for clean HTML and Tailwind CSS ready for a developer to build from. Designers and developers both sorted. One click, free. One more to show you, this is not just for mobile apps. Design a SaaS dashboard landing page for a project management tool, light theme, minimal, professional. Include a hero section, feature section, and pricing table. Completely different result. A web landing page, not a mobile app. Mobile apps, web dashboards, landing pages, admin panels, Stitch handles all of it from one prompt. That is the full workflow. Sign in, write a prompt, refine it, prototype it, export it. The whole thing for free in under 10 minutes. If this was useful, share it with someone who has an app idea but thinks they need a designer. They don't, not anymore.